Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Realme 12 Plus. You have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now you have to click on Data and Privacy and then scroll down. Now click on Delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now go to Google Play Store and click Sign in. And now you have to enter your email address and click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now let's enter my password. Now click I agree. Scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, I'm logged in again into my Google account and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.